I'm back. आप देख रहे हैं Let's Talk with the one and only Salman Khan. My favorite film of yours is Khamoshi. And yours? Your favorite film?
मैंने प्यार किया.
Really?
Yeah, my first film. In fact, I must have been the only one person who must have prayed for this film not to do well. And God didn't listen to me. It was that Bibi Hota Aisi. I was like, Jesus Christ, yeah, when I saw the film, you know, there and there.
Was that a supporting role, lead role?
That was, my father came on the first day of shooting. I mean, I should be saying this, but I mean, come on. And he spoke to, somebody in the set, and he said that, okay, there's a slight flaw in this thing. And that man said, yeah, we're going to take her. But now come on, Salim Javed, one of the most literally and most respected writers in the country from some 30, 40 odd films, all of them big hits. He's giving you a point on your main plot, you know. ऐसे नहीं उसका ये कर दिया वो कर दिया करता. My father said, Salman.
ये तो flop होने वाली है.
No, he says, my son, you're in good hands. And when I came back home, he said, तू तो बड़ा smart लिखना यार. तूने ये picture आगे से कर दी. Oh my God! And then I showed it to, and then they came the shot for the film, and I couldn't understand what I was doing in the film. And I thought it was a very cool character, and I was like making me do some weird stuff in the film. I looked hideous and stuff. So they called me for a trial of the film, and they said that we saw the film last night. And Amitabh Bachchan, you were going to replace him. That was at that point in time. That line used to be better than Amitabh Bachchan.
Super.
When we were like 20 years ago and stuff like that. So I said I was really excited. I said, yeah, क्या कुछ ऐसे कैसे हो गया स्क्रीन पे कि अलग होता हुआ कुछ यार. I went and I saw कि जितना खराब मैंने किया था उससे कुछ स्क्रीन पे कुछ 20 गुना ज़्यादा खराब दिख रहा है. And I've never seen my younger brothers react to me like that. I mean, the first time in their lives they were embarrassed of me. And my sister, she's, "Bhai, what is this? I mean, you're supposed to be this cool guy and stuff, So I was like, do I look up at you?" And then came Maine Pyar Kiya.
And you're like, okay, thank God.
And I prayed that, there was this whole thing, Maine Pyar Kiya wanted to be the first release, and they wanted to be the first release. And I told Suraj, said, no, it's not going to work out. I'll become your assistant. I don't want to be an actor anymore. And he said, no, we've done the test. You're looking fabulous. And when I saw the
Suraj
test,
didn't say Bibi Hota.
No, he saw it.
Oh, he saw it? Okay.
All he did was he came out and asked me. He said, Salman bhai, why are your eyes looking so big in the So I said, eyes? Jesus. He said, no, you're good in the film. And then I saw the test that he shot of me outside his house. That looked really nice. So, and then they signed me for the film, and there was no looking back.
So you think that would be a landmark film that changed everything for you?
Yeah, I was, and the fear was that QSQT had just released some time ago, and Amir Khan became like the biggest star there was. And then I'm supposed to do a film with Raj Sharice, and none of the heroes had ever worked. Their films have been very successful.
Yeah, but you can't remember hero contact.
Yeah, you can't. So then this thought started coming to my head. People say, "Yeah, इनके कभी hero चले नहीं." I said, "Yeah, no, यार, Amir बन गया Salman." Oh God! And then the film released, and the film did well. And for 6 months, I didn't have any work after that.
Really?
Yeah. And then Baghi signed Baghi. I mean, Deepak Chidusani came to me for a film which had a 5-minute role in it, and I hated it. I said, no, why don't you make a film like this? So I just gave him a plot. This is interesting, damn good. Let's do it. I said, let's do it. He said, you got the script? So I said, yeah, of course I got the script. I had to write the script of Baghi in 3 days.
You wrote it?
Yeah.
Did you not ask your father for help?
No.
Like, Dad, मैंने उनको कह दिया कि मेरे पास script है.
It did. I mean, it didn't. He helped me. It was a very positive, father-son kind of film, and it was a very positive film. So, on plot level, it was not weird. It was not wrong. It was a correct plot. So when you do a correct plot, it usually does well.
And who are you closest to in your family? Which brother?
We're all there, equally close.
Oh, and the sisters also.
Yeah.
Are you typical older brother जो बहनों के boyfriends को ऐसे देखता है या?
No, I'm kind of chilled out with that thing. I mean,
but any boyfriend.
Problem is I'm a primitive man in a modern society. I don't know what to do.
ये बट लड़कों को डर
I
लगता
would
होगा।
love to react to things and get angry over things and do them, you know, make sure that they do them right and stuff like that. But it only means that there are more controversies for me, and you know, and then they start off with my first controversy, and then they get the whole capsule बना के animation के साथ हर चीज करके,
बार-बार घूम फिर कर
and then they call us and then they say that he's got a temper. It's not temper, it's anger. If I see something which is not right, I don't like, you know, I want to react to it, but today the press has got me on this one that I cannot react. I just the other day a journalist in Rajasthan. Come on, I'm going to Jodhpur. I'm going to, you know, going for my case. I'm going there. I'm stressed out. के क्या सजा सुनाएगा जज 5 साल 6 साल 8 साल क्या सुनाएगा? And you come and you bang on my door and you open the door so that I turn around and I get angry and I do something so you get your
say that
stuff.
Salman Khan was very angry.
What is the use? And when I saw that happening, I said, oh my God, what is he doing? And I fired them. And now that I fired them openly, I said, I know you're not going to put this on.
No, they put everything on.
Yeah, I mean, I just heard someday that someone...
Headline
you
बदल
know,
जाती है and then they sit and write something about you.
But I mean, they got me married about 20 times last month and a month before that and a month before that.
You have
What is
said that you
that?
would tell everyone ना अगर आपकी शादी होगी तो आप बोल देंगे।
Yeah, क्या I'm embarrassed के
छुपके तो नहीं होने वाली शादी।
Obviously not.
Possible ही नहीं है।
छुपके क्यों करूँगा मैं? आज तक कोई चीज छुपके की है जो करूँगा?
वही मतलब क्यों शादी क्यों छुपाएंगे?
क्या embarrassed है कि मतलब किससे शादी कर रहे हैं भैया? कोई embarrassing चीज से शादी कर रहे हैं? क्या है कि जब शादी होगी जो भी लड़की होगी जिससे करेंगे भैया obviously कि you want her as your life partner, you will tell your fans because you know this is apparently like the most awaited marriage for the last 20 years in this film industry कि ये कब होगी, and it's not going to, you know, whenever I do it 10 years 20 years later जब भी करूँगा I will have to tell you people to tell the fans के
Okay, so 20 years later
बच्चा हूँ मैं
जब
42 साल का
हाँ तो जब 22 साल के बच्चे की शादी होगी वो आपको जरूर
42
बुलाएंगे। 42 you're not looking at it, so is 40s like fabulous for you, or 30s better, or 20s better?
Okay, I think 140 is going to be even better.
140 will drop. Okay, I have a game here. I'm going to play with you.
I don't play games.
And it's very simple. One word and whatever comes to your mind, you say it. Yeah? Like मैंने प्यार किया.
My first film, my life.
मेरी जिंदगी. David Dhawan.
Too funny.
Govinda.
I love him. I think he's a mind-blowing guy.
Love.
Love is actually, it's a weird word for need.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Younger brother.
Amir Khan.
Oh, yeah,
You brought up Amir earlier, so I thought I'll just like there's this whole like fictitious fight between the
the
Khans.
most correct person that I've ever met is Amir.
See, like, he's giving us all these answers. तो सारे के सारे myths आप dispel कर रहे हैं, तोड़ रहे हैं. Like there's no problem, life is good, everything is fine. You're a rock star, you are, and Marigold is going to rock. हमको पता है.
I hope.
जो अंग्रेजी समझता भी नहीं है वो जरूर जाकर देखेगा क्योंकि आपकी.
नहीं, इतनी अंग्रेजी बोली इस पिक्चर में कि सबके समझ में आए.
लास्ट में ये एक्सेंट कहाँ से आता है?
किसका?
आपका.
मेरा एक्सेंट.
अंग्रेजी में एक्सेंट आता है.
अंग्रेजी में एक्सेंट आता है. यार बचपन में वो जो रिगलीज च्युइंगम बहुत खाया करता था तो because you know I didn't have the Indian ones, NP chewing-gum आता था. So
But good answer. This is a really good answer. And कल अखबारों में इसकी चर्चा जरूर होगी कि सलमान खान के एक्सेंट के पीछे की secret revealed. It's the chewing gum. I have a present for you.
I don't accept gifts.
Keep quiet, just take it. Or you can give it to me, but I think आपके interest के लिए ज़्यादा होगी.
How good. Thank you so much.
It's a book on artists because painting as a
How
hobby
cool.
अपना ली है.
Excuse me, I'm not this kind of painter. I paint walls. I mean, you need your house painted. I'll come one color and.
Okay, we've lost Salman वो किताब में.
This is, I think, मुझे अगर ये करना पड़े तो मेरी life चले जाएगी इसके अंदर. This is outstanding. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
It's our pleasure. Thank you so much.
All right.
And we will see you
Bye-bye.
soon. And आपसे अगली मुलाकात अगले हफ्ते only on Zoom. इसको देखो.